Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to see the resistor. This is a very unique resistor. This is known as cement resistor. You can see the ratings of this. This is of 5 watt. I'm not getting the resistance because here written is 220E. Resistance is given in ohm. Let's see what we get from this. Let's check the resistance. First check the continuity. Let's check the continuity. This one terminal and second terminal is no more, so let me not problem, no problem. We can see there is some continuity on display. Thing is showing no, nothing. Let's go from other side. Nothing. Let's go for resistance. I am taking 200 ohm, 2000 ohm. Let's check. Nothing. There. Let me connect properly. No, he's taking my hand resistance also. $244. This is approximately 220 ohm. Then, without wasting time, let's dive inside this resistor. We can see what inside this. Very nice looking. One terminal is not here. This due to erosion. One terminal is absent. You can see the second terminal. Okay, let's see inside this now. I am using this plier to open this. Don't try this at home because it could be risky. You can see how this is made. This is the open area. Cement is filled in this. After placing the resistor, cement is placed inside this. Very simple construction but very important. This is majorly used where loss of energy have to done, because in some motors or any generators back energy is generated that is not useful for the system, and in that case resistor can be helpful to dissipate that energy, or in capacitor also it is used to discharge the capacitor. I am breaking now, sorry, not visible properly to you. Oh, broken. Very brittle. I think I have done wrong thing, something. Very messy. Getting very tough. You can see something from here. Mine covering of the winding of the wires. Let's go inside. Be careful. Got it. You can see over here. Oh, this is badly eroded. Look. Let's open it totally. We got everything from this. Look. Very hard to focus this. Got it. So that's in this video. For any other requirement from your side, tell me. See you in the next video. Please like, share, subscribe this.